how to auto turn on dark mode based on sunset to sunrise or schedule on the iPhone 16 series running iOS 18. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Display and Brightness. Then in here, tap on Automatic. Tap on the Automatic button or the toggle button to switch it on, and then tap on Options. Now in here, you can choose to automatically turn on dark mode between sunset to sunrise, or you can set a custom schedule. So here we have it light between 10 a.m. 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. So if I change it to say 8:35, and here you can see 8:35. So from 7 a.m. to 8:35 p.m. it will be in light mode, and when it gets to 8:35 p.m. it will goes into dark mode. Now the font here doesn't automatically change, so I need to increase it to 36 and then tap on the back button to save the changes. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. So here we'll be turning into 8:36. So the phone should automatically switch to dark mode now, as it is. And you can see it happens right there. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.